Welcome friends. So in this particular lecture, we will see how we can install the Docker engine on CentOS, Red Hat, or Fedora systems. So in the earlier lecture, we saw how we can install the Docker engine on Debian and Ubuntu system. So right now we are going to install the Debian engine on CentOS, Red Hat Linux, or Fedora systems. The Docker engine is an engine to run the containers. We will create the Docker engine in a CentOS system, which will be hosted on GCP. So first, let's create one instance, and we will name the instance as RHEL VM, Red Hat Enterprise Linux VM. And we are going to create the boot disk as Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So it will be exactly same installation for CentOS and Fedora. So we are not going to do the same practice, but we will follow the instruction how we can install the Docker engine on CentOS. We will follow this instruction and we will install the Docker engine on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So we can say pay as you go plan, and we can simply hit the create button. So we are going to activate our Cloud Shell where we will connect to this VM instance. So we have connected to the Cloud Shell, and let's see once the VM will be ready, we will be back. It's still in progress. Okay, so our VM is ready. So now let's go to this Cloud Shell and see our VM instances. So gcloud compute instances list, and you can find our VM instance over there. So we are going to use gcloud compute SSH RHEL VM, and the zone is US1D. So we're going to connect to this VM instance, and we are now connected with this Red Hat Linux VM. Let's go to this root and let's follow these instructions. So first we have Google install Docker on Red Hat, and the very first link we found this RHEL 390. And if we go there, it will say that it is just for the Linux, IBM Linux system. So we are not interested to have this on Linux. Rather, we are going to install this in RHEL, and it is recommended to have this on CentOS. I will follow the instruction on CentOS package. So once we go there, it is just the same page that we have opened. Okay. So first and foremost thing that it is asking to install the utilities, and it is asking to set up the repository accordingly. So we are going to install the utilities. We can install it over there. So once it is ready, all right, so it is ready. Now we are going to add this repository. All right, so now we are ready to install our Docker engine. So let's copy this one and let's paste. So the only thing we are going to do, we are going to confirm our installation by giving the consent with this command. So -y. So it will start installing the Docker engine over here. All right, so we are done with this Docker engine And now we're going to start our Docker daemon. So if we check our Docker daemon is down, by default it is down. So we can check systemctl status Docker, and we can see that it's currently down. So we are going to up the Docker daemon, and then we can check the status, and you can see it's right now up and running. Now we're going to test our Docker engine by pulling this hello world image from Docker Hub, and we are going to see if any container can be run with this hello world. So if it can run this Docker container with a hello world image, we can say we have successfully installed the Docker engine on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. And we can use the same kind of instruction for, say, Fedora or CentOS operating system. So congratulations, friend, for installing the Docker container on Fedora, CentOS, and Red Hat Linux systems. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. So in this lecture, we installed the Docker engine on CentOS, Fedora, or Red Hat Linux systems. And in upcoming lecture, we will start running the containers on those Docker engines. Also, we will try to install the podman, that is another engine for the Docker containers. We will install the podman in different operating systems in upcoming lectures as well. So stay tuned, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.